first is look at your profile very closely and trace what questions come out of your profile. And when the B School form comes, trace what the forms are talking about and what you're writing in the answers and what questions emerge from that. And be ready with the ideas of the answer. A lot of you make mistake of GDPI prep where you write answers to the questions. Don't write answers to questions. Make an idea of what I'm going to answer and keep that idea in your ready frame of reference, and then you will be able to speak that idea in many ways no matter how the question comes. So that's one dimension of preparation for GDPI. Second dimension of preparation is do a lot of work on GK and GS, all the latest issues, etc. Keep reading about it, form opinions about everything, form opinions about all the 100 major topics that's happening around you. And opinion only comes when you get knowledge. So first take knowledge and then create an opinion. Don't get nervous. Stammering is also created out of getting nervous, or it is triggered off by getting nervous. दो चीज बता दिया मैंने GDPI का. First was profile देखो closely. Second was look at your GK GS. And third thing is do a lot of practice of speaking. Try to simulate all the questions there.